What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take the key, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Let everything stabilize. Then right here on the actual cluster, there's a little dial. Now different models may be different. This is more of a strip model. It doesn't have a lot of options. So we're going to scroll through. There's the speed, there's the trip, fuel range, economy, tire pressure, oil life. So once we get to the oil life, it's 32% right now. I'm just going to hold down this button. Are you sure you want to reset? Scroll to yes, and then click the button again. It goes to 100%. You can scroll back to where you want to be. Shut the key off.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.